Welcome to our exploration of 10 cities that are completely car-free, where we dive into the unique charm and culture of destinations that have embraced vehicle-free living. From the romantic canals of Venice to the serene landscapes of Zermatt, these cities offer a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of modern transportation. Join us as we uncover hidden gems and timeless treasures, showcasing how these locales thrive in a world where the pace of life slows down and nature takes center stage. 1. Venice, Italy, the floating city. Venice, often referred to as the floating city, is a stunning example of a car-free urban environment. With its intricate network of canals, bridges, and narrow alleyways, the city has been devoid of cars for centuries. Transportation in Venice primarily relies on boats, water taxis, and gondolas, making it a picturesque and serene destination. The absence of cars not only preserves the city's historical architecture but also enhances its romantic ambiance, attracting millions of tourists each year. Walking through Venice feels like stepping back in time, where every corner offers a glimpse of its storied past. 2. Giethoorn, Netherlands. The Dutch Venice. Known as the Dutch Venice, Giethoorn is a charming village that boasts a unique transportation system. Here, there are no roads, only tranquil canals and footpaths. Locals and visitors alike navigate the village by boat or bicycle, creating an idyllic atmosphere that feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The peacefulness of Giethoorn, combined with its beautiful thatched roof houses and lush greenery, makes it one of the most serene places in Europe. The absence of cars allows the sounds of nature, such as birds chirping and water lapping, to take center stage. 3. Hydra, Greece, a timeless island. Hydra, a picturesque island in Greece, stands out for its strict ban on cars and even bicycles. The only means of transportation on this enchanting island are foot, donkey, or boat. This car-free policy has allowed Hydra to maintain its traditional charm, with cobblestone streets and stunning views of the Aegean Sea. Visitors can explore the island's rich history, art galleries, and quaint shops at a leisurely pace. The island's serene environment offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life, ideal for those seeking relaxation and culture. 4. Fez El Bali, Morocco, the largest car-free urban area. Fez El Bali, the ancient Medina of Fez, Morocco, is recognized as the largest car-free urban area in the world. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features narrow, winding streets that are too tight for vehicles. Instead, the area is bustling with pedestrians, donkey carts, and local vendors. The vibrant atmosphere, rich history, and intricate architecture of Fez El Bali create a unique experience for visitors. Wandering through the Medina allows one to fully immerse in Moroccan culture without the distraction of cars, making it an unforgettable journey. 5. Mackinac Island, USA. A step back in time. Mackinac Island, located in Michigan, has been car-free since 1898, making it a true step back in time. The island's charm lies in its reliance on horses, bicycles, and walking for transportation. Visitors can enjoy the stunning natural beauty of the island, including its lush landscapes and historic sites. The iconic fudge shops and Victorian architecture further enhance the island's appeal. The absence of cars creates a peaceful atmosphere, allowing visitors to savor the beauty and history of this unique destination. 6. La Cumbrecita, Argentina, a fairy tale village. La Cumbrecita, nestled in the mountains of Argentina, is the country's first officially pedestrian-only village. This enchanting town features alpine-style architecture and a network of forested trails, making it a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The absence of cars allows visitors to fully immerse themselves in the stunning surroundings. Whether hiking, biking, or simply strolling through the picturesque streets, La Cumbrecita offers a unique blend of tranquility and adventure, perfect for those seeking a nature-focused getaway. 7. Zermatt, Switzerland, a pollution-free paradise. Zermatt, a renowned Swiss ski resort, is famous for its breathtaking mountain scenery and commitment to preserving the environment. Cars are banned in Zermatt to maintain the fresh mountain air and reduce pollution. Instead, Visitors can explore the area using electric taxis, bicycles, or horse-drawn carriages. The car-free policy enhances the charm of Zermatt, allowing guests to enjoy the stunning views of the Matterhorn and the surrounding Alps. The town's dedication to sustainability provides a model for other cities striving to balance tourism with environmental care. 8. Lamu, Kenya. An ancient Swahili port. Lamu, a UNESCO-listed island town in Kenya, is characterized by its narrow alleyways designed for donkey transport. Cars are not allowed, preserving the town's ancient Swahili architecture and tranquil atmosphere. Visitors can explore Lamu's rich cultural heritage, including its historic buildings, vibrant markets, and beautiful beaches. The island's unique charm and history make it a captivating destination for travelers. The peacefulness of Lamu, coupled with its cultural vibrancy, provides a truly immersive experience for those interested in history and tradition. 9. Fire Island, USA, a secluded coastal escape. Fire Island, located just off the coast of New York, is a barrier island that has banned cars to create a peaceful retreat for residents and visitors. The absence of vehicles allows people to walk or bike everywhere, fostering a sense of community and relaxation. Fire Island is known for its stunning beaches, charming cottages, and vibrant nightlife. The island's car-free policy encourages a slower pace of life, where visitors can unwind and enjoy the natural beauty without the distractions of modern transportation. 10. Medina of Chefchaouen, Morocco. The Blue Pearl. The Medina of Chefchaouen, often referred to as the Blue Pearl, is famous for its stunning blue-painted streets and tranquil atmosphere. The narrow alleyways of Chefchaouen are too tight for cars, allowing pedestrians to explore the town's unique charm without the noise and pollution of vehicles. Visitors can enjoy the vibrant local markets, traditional crafts, and breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. The town's serene environment and artistic flair make Chefchaouen a must-visit destination for those seeking a peaceful and picturesque experience.